Hey guys, thank you very much for joining. Today we're going to go over This Old C, another beautiful little Goose song here. Relatively straightforward. We've got some pretty basic chords, pretty nice little progression. Fun little lead things you can add in there as well. So we'll go over all that. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, hit the bell for notifications. I do greatly appreciate it. And if you're not new here, thank you very much for coming back. I also greatly appreciate that. Alright, so like I said, we've got a pretty fun one here, so let's go ahead and hop in. Alright, so for This Old C, we're going to start here for the intro and verse progression here. And those are the three chords over and over for the verse. So starting with a G here, and I am playing this G instead of barring it fully. I've got my index finger here on the 3rd fret of the B string, middle finger's on the 4th of the G, and I've got my pinky on the 5th of the D and rings on the 5th of the A. I think it sounds good this way for this song. So we're gonna just play that G. So it's down, then up strum. Okay. And this to B minor. If you're not familiar with that, just gonna bar that 2nd fret there. Middle finger's on 3rd fret of the B. Pinky finger is on the 4th of the G and ring on the 4th of the D. B minor. And same rhythm there. Then your A minor. So just a standard open A minor. And I like to add, I like to pull off this middle finger here that's on the, this middle finger that's on the 2nd fret here of this D. I like to pull that off and then hammer it back on. So. Okay, and that little fill you can do here, very simple, and I like, another reason I like playing the G this way, it kind of, the fill, if you play it right, which I just didn't, you can hop right back into that chord. So we are on the 2nd fret here of the G, sliding to the 4th fret. We're going to hit the 3rd fret of the B with our index finger, and then you hop right back into your chord. And that is the verse, over for the verse. That's all. Those are the only chords you need there. To end the verse and hop into the chorus, first you're going to go with a C here. So I'm going to go ahead and just play it real quick. So again, relatively straightforward. We're going a lot of open chords here, and I'll throw those chords up here. I'll throw the chorus up here so you can see. So we've got going with a G, and in the chorus, I'm playing pretty much all open here. You can continue playing down here or bar if you want to, for sure. So G to C, E minor, C, E minor, C, G, D, E minor, C, B minor, A minor, G, C, E minor, D, G. And that's it really for the chorus. Really the only other piece that I had was so that's I guess it's a bridge part where they're doing the oohs, right? So so chord-wise there, you've got your G, C, E minor, D. I think they do that about 4 times. So obviously you can play the chords with it that way, or you can mess around with this little lead here. Okay, and really all I'm doing here, starting here on 2nd fret of this G, sliding into the 4th, then 3rd fret of the B, 5th fret of the B, 7th fret of the B, 5th fret, 3rd fret, and then back to the 4th of that G, 3rd of the B, 2nd of the G, 4th of the G. And I just said a whole lot of letters and numbers there, so don't know if it made sense or not, but I'll try to go through it again here slowly. All right, and I really think that is it for this old C. I hope this helps you guys out. Please leave me any feedback, comments below, and I'll see you guys again soon.